Did you know that Republic Poly has one of the most unique addresses in Singapore? We are located at 9 Woodlands Avenue 9. This unique address, 9th Avenue, is also the name of a restaurant in Republic Poly. This quaint little restaurant tucked away in this part of Singapore offers something very different from any restaurant that I've been. Don't take my word for it, let me show you. This casual dining restaurant is operated and run by students. They receive customers, set the table, take orders and serve them. But do they cook? Yes, they do. They practically run the kitchen to churn out the meals. If you're a morning person, then you're in for a treat as 9th Avenue also offers breakfast, take-out or dine-in, and let's not forget, the students from the School of Hospitality are guided by industry-trained professionals who ensure the food and service is top-notch. This restaurant is open 44 weeks in a year, even during school holidays, where they churn out yummy creations like this. Right in front of me, you have 9 awesome dishes prepared by 9 young chefs at the 9th Avenue. This has been 90 Seconds. See you soon!